Pastor Adeboye's warning to President Buhari might result to more conflicts in Nigeria. Pastor E.A. Adeboye is the man of God I respect so much in Nigeria. He is difficult from others and is known for being very humble and God-fearing. He is different from other pastors and is known for preaching holiness. He is the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. This church has above 1,000 parishes in Nigeria and also other parts of the world. He is happily married and have been seen with the president in different occasions. It was reported by some famous websites and newspapers in Nigeria that Pastor E.A. Adeboye in our nation, Nigeria, have said that President Muhammadu Buhari must be careful with the way he handles this administration. We all know that Pastor E.A. Adeboye has a lot of followers, and this word of his might encourage those of his followers who want restructuring or split up. The warning he gave is not a bad one, but some of his followers might use this as an advantage to press on for breakup. We all know that some groups like the IPOB and others are hungry for things like this. I think this would be a form of encouragement to them all. Risk unity. The statement of Pastor E.A. Adeboye will risk the unity of our nation. We all know that different parties are trying to share this country apart, but President Muhammadu Buhari has been trying his best to make sure we are one. Instead of joining to make sure that we are one, we are speaking against him. This Pastor Adeboye statement will bring more division to the nation instead of unity. We all know that the president is doing his best to make sure the country is at peace and unity. He sends soldiers to fight Boko people. He makes sure that police and other security agencies stop any form of protest that is against the law. He has proven to be a president indeed. Instead of speaking against him and his action, it is better we encourage him. Nigeria can be a better place again if we can support the president. Speaking against him will lead to more harm than good. We will all take note of this. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, I don't see anything bad Pastor E. Adeboye have just said about the president, or anything bad Pastor E. Adeboye have just said to President Muhammadu Buhari. What he has just said is a very simple thing that every other person would like to say or pinpoint. First and foremost, what he has said, is it true or lie? So why are we now trying to dodge from the truth? Why are we now trying to dodge from the facts? If the president wants to take action against Pastor E. Adeboye, he should go ahead. He should go ahead, because I know that it is a kind of president that doesn't like the truth. He doesn't like people to caution him and to call him to order. What is different from what Pastor E. Adeboye and what other people has been saying? Is it not the truth? Has the president been handling this administration well? Has he been doing what is expected of him? Someone just said that he has been trying concerning the bandits. In what way has he been trying concerning the bandits? To me, I've not seen any single trial. If he has taken action concerning these bandits for a very long time, this issue of too much killings and high level of insecurity wouldn't have come up. This issue of Nigeria being number 3 in insecurity in the whole world wouldn't have come up. This issue of Nigeria being number 1 in insecurity in Africa wouldn't have come up. The poverty and hunger that is striking many Nigerians wouldn't have come up. The unemployment issue wouldn't have come up. And you say that he's doing well. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Is it only Pastor Iyadobi that is complaining of this? Why are we having many protests now in Nigeria? This is the very first time that we experience protests on the day of Nigerian independence. It is only in this administration we experience such. That is to tell you that the people are not happy with this administration. It means that the administration has failed them. So there is no reason to celebrate Nigerian at 60. What is the need? What is the need when things are in a very bad shape? When the economy is at a very meltdown? When the economy is at recession? When the people are, when Nigerians have lost their jobs, communities are going hungry. Why wouldn't they agitate? Why are we celebrating? I said that those celebrating independence must be wicked people. If you are among those celebrating independence, it means that you are wicked. You are selfish and self-centered. You are evil. You are evil because it means that you are celebrating while others are crying. Yes, that is the truth. So why do we need to celebrate? Why do we need it? It is wrong, my viewers. Completely wrong. So I don't see anything bad in what Pastor E.A. Adeboye just said. It is normal. So let the president take note of that. Let him take note of that and work on himself. He should work on himself so that the country will be a better place. Alright? So, my viewers, I don't know what your own comment concerning this may be, but please, you do well to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.